Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. First, verify your iPhone has the latest iOS and a working carrier connection. This prevents false full flags. Once done, open phone and go straight to voicemail. You're looking for deletable audio files. Make sure to delete messages and then clear the deleted messages folder. This actually frees mailbox space. If you see no messages yet voicemail is full, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset the radio, then reconnect and recheck voicemail. Next, remove every saved voicemail and immediately clear deleted messages. Many users forget that final step, and carriers still count those as stored. Once cleared, restart your iPhone to reload voicemail indexes and toggle airplane mode to force the network to refresh. This usually updates the count. If visual voicemail still shows full, go to Settings, General Reset Network Settings. This resets voicemail retrieval without erasing personal data. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or cellular before testing again. To finish, test the box. Call your number or open the voicemail tab to confirm new slots appear. If the mailbox still reads full, contact your carrier and request a server-side mailbox clear. This resolves most stubborn cases. Make sure to keep greetings and transcription settings simple because complex or long greetings can occasionally cause processing errors. If all else fails, back up your iPhone and consider a full restart or restore as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.